Well, we've got a rainy morning, but the mountains are still looking nice, so we're going to head out around town. Well, not really around town, heading out of town, up into the mountains, and around the back of this big dam. Should be a bit of fun. It's probably going to end up very dirty though, all this wet weather. But we'll see how we go. It's pretty hot and raining and humid. Anyway, makes it interesting. At least I'm not freezing my butt off back in Melbourne, Australia. It's a little weird, half a boat at the top of a mountain. Go figure. Wow. Certainly a big ass dam. I like this, I like the offices built into the wall there, that's pretty cool. Woo. Ah, this is nice, look at this. Bloody hell. A few landslides already. Alright, back up we go. I just came down there, for goodness sake. Anyway, look at those mountains, it's bloody awesome. This is tough. Whew. Bloody hell. This is pretty special. Wow. Get out of the way, Dopey. It's just such a beautiful place to ride through. I just wish it wasn't so wet. Maybe I can't video this downhill bit, but I really need two hands and two brakes. And I've got to put this camera away now. Starting to clear up a little, which is a plus. Ah, it's just so beautiful. Our first obstacle. Looks like that's the end of the sealed road. Now the bike's going to get really dirty. So there's this road that goes down, and it looks like it goes way, way, way down there. Keen to go down, but not so keen to come back up. That was seriously steep and slippery because it's wet, and I got right back up. I don't know if you can really see how steep that looks, but here goes. Truth, this is going to be a tough one. Check out that post, which is actually vertical. I've only gone like 10 metres. This is like 30 degrees. You gotta be kidding me. It's kind of ironic that I decided to come back because of the mud. These roads are bloody filthy. Might as well be riding in mud. All I can see is this brown plume coming up off my front tyre and trying to keep slow enough that it doesn't land on my face. But anyway. Well, heading back into town now. I'm going to get some lunch and call it quits, I think. Oh look, dry road, nice. It's wet and unpleasant. Yeah, this is nasty. Oh boy. Pressure wash for me and the bike. Who am I to laugh? That's what we need. I was out riding this morning in the pouring rain, and then basically an hour after I get back, it clears up, and you can see for miles. It's a shame, but riding up over those hills again is not an option. I did 1,300 metres of climbing this morning, and my legs are a bit spent, so oh well, never mind. Still a beautiful place.